Hey everyone. So for this video we're going to talk about on how to use XTB step by step. Now this is going to be the updated version for 2025. We'll go over account setup, platform walkthrough, placing your first trade, and important tips for beginners. So let's start with an overview. First things first, what exactly is XTB? Now XTB is a global online platform where you can trade for a variety of assets, including forex, stocks, indices, commodities, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. It's regulated in several countries and known for its fast execution, low spreads, and intuitive platform called X5 Station. They also call it X Station 5. It's especially popular among European and Asian traders, and in 2025, which is this year, it's still one of the top platforms for beginners and again, experienced users. Now, how do you sign up for this one? First, this is going to be how it looks like for the mobile device, so it's also available for handheld mobile devices. Now let's go for the account creation. Head over to this website, that will be xtv.com/international or INT. In here, you just have to prepare for your details on your address and emails and the works. So click on the create account option. In there, they will ask for your email. Country of residence right there, and click on next step. Next, they will ask for your personal details, such as your full name, date of birth, your address, and your phone number. They will also ask for your trading benefits and basically experience to help you tailor fit your user interface inside your account. Also, lastly, they will ask a proof of ID. However, that's only for verification. You don't need that one to create an account. Usually, it will take around 1 to 2 business days to create an account. After that one, you'll be good to go. And this is how it should look like inside XTB. As you can see right there, I still have no option to verify my account. Since I didn't verify just yet, I just created it for discussion purposes. So now that you're signed in, here's what you'll see. Market Watch, which is basically this one. This is where you'll find all tradable instruments, real-time prices, and percentage changes. Next up, the chart window. Every trader's best friend, where you can analyze price movements using technical indicators, drawing tools, and time frames. Next up, the order panel. Of course, this is where you'll open, manage, and close trades. It shows your balance, equity, margin, and open for your positions. This one right here, the lower section. Of course, this one, the economic calendar. This is great for keeping track of major market events like central bank announcements or economic reports. This is really important, especially right now what's happening in the US with the tariffs. This is good. You also have the newsreel. Same deal with the calendar, just to keep you updated. Basically, this is real-time updates from analysts and financial sources to help you stay informed. I suggest take your time to explore all of these sections before going on trading. However, the best part and the most important parts would be Market Watch, the charts, the calendar, and the news. Also, this new one, Market Analysis. So how to place a trade here? Now choose an asset from the Market Watch. This one's right here. They're called assets. For example, URUSD, that's an asset. This is for Euro to American dollar currency pair. Now if I click on that one as an asset, I can now sell a euro and buy a euro. Easy as that. I can increase how much I buy and how much I earn. And basically for this one, once I've sold it, I can either sell it or buy it. Since I don't have it just yet, I can only choose buy. Take note, you can only buy and sell everything here if you have verified your account using your government ID. Take note about that one. Once you've successfully set up your bid, the number of Euro USD you're going to buy, hit place order. Should be on this platform right here, just above the numbers. Should be right there after you verified your account. Now let's talk about the deposits and withdrawals. So go to your dashboard, should be this one right here, the plain dashboard. Then click deposit. Now deposit should be after Market Watch. After verifying your account, after submitting an ID, you're going to see a deposit option right there. So once you click on that one, you can either choose a bank transfer, a credit or debit card, or even e-wallets like Skrill or PayPal. And for the Philippines, they have GCash. Enter the amount and follow the on-screen steps, and you can deposit on your account here with no problem at all. Take note for withdrawals, same thing, you just have to verify your identity or account. The button should be right here as well. Enter your bank details and the amount that you want to withdraw here, and then withdraw usually take 1 or 2 business days. Depending on your bank, usually 2 business days max, and you're golden. Now I want to highlight something here. The important tips for beginners. Start with a demo account, which is going to be this one right here. Try a demo. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account on a single trade. Also use stop loss orders. Basically, it's a safety net. Keeping a trading journal to track your wins and losses. This will improve your strategy over time. I suggest using OneNote for that one. And don't chase trades or losses, basically boost on emotions. Stay calm and focused, alright? Basically, this is a work. Stay professional. Now, just to summarize everything here, this is good for beginners as well as the pro users for trading. MarketWatch would be your go-to guy here. You can choose your favorite, hot, your FedEx right there, and so on and so forth. You can choose all kinds of coins here. You can create a new watch list by clicking this one and take a closer look on those coins you're looking out for. You can also check your pending orders here, investment plans, and so on and so forth. Also, in here on the charts, you can either maximize this one. Click the drop down icon, you can choose chart 2. You can also add a new chart, just further analysis. News right there, you can filter them by Forex, indices, and so on and so forth. If I click one right here, it will open up the news right away. What I love about this one is that it gives me the total price amount that I can buy from here. Pretty awesome, right? Easy as that, it's really quick. Except for the calendar, same drill for this one. You can change your filter for your countries and the impact it has on your coins or tokens. If I choose one here, this is actually how it looks like. It has a chart on the right side. It's pretty awesome, pretty unique. Market analysis would be a beginner's best friend for their account if they're starting. They're helping an analysis or a guy that doesn't know how to analyze, give it to them. So if I choose that one right here, it has a basic info what's happening right now. Same goes with education. Now for education right here, it gives you the same idea of market analysis and news. Gives you tips and what's happening in the education system on your country right now. Account history gives you the option to take a look back. It's basically like a journal or a receipt option. What happened to your account for the past days or past weeks. You can export that one with one click of a button. Also, on the upper right section, there are going to be buttons here. Most important part is this one. If you're saying it's good, it's yellow, that means it's bad. Personally, I don't like good. I want it to be green or perfect because this is trading. A few seconds late and you are losing a lot of money. A few seconds faster, then you're earning a lot of money. You can change your layout by vertical right there, horizontal, maybe even main here. That's depending on your standing. I'm going to go back on standard right there. Price sets, I can do the new price alerts here. That same goes with MarketWatch. Should be easy as that.